Do you love traveling but worry that it costs so much money and every time you do it, you spend so much you come home more broke? That's the story of my life. I've always done it. I've always loved traveling, checking out the next place, doing the next cool event, meeting really cool people, doing awesome things, seeing beautiful places, and then coming home more broke, more in debt. I hated it and I changed that up. I decided one day, I'm tired of this. Next time I travel, I'm gonna travel in a way where I can make money while I travel. So I traveled to a place where I can actually work, live in a really cool place, make money, and then actually enjoy the place with a financial abundance without stressing finances. And then I realized I can teach this to other people because it's actually pretty simple. And I started doing my online business. Now I'm helping people travel so they can realize their dreams, go around the world, and make money while they do it. So I've been traveling a lot and I just bring my work with me everywhere I go. I'm not saying you're never gonna work again. I'm saying you're gonna bring your work with you wherever you go. So you're working remotely. You can have your own coaching program teaching what you're passionate about, what you love, and make a living, make money off of that while you travel the world. So it's really cool. I'm gonna share that in this channel. I'm gonna share my experiences. I'm gonna share my travels. I'm gonna share tips on how you can do it yourself. And enjoy the videos, and if you ever wanted to book a call to see if I can help you speed up your results, just check out the link below to my calendar. Otherwise, enjoy the channel and I'll see you on the next video. Much love.